और जिला प्रशासन के सभी लोग मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं। अभी रेस्टोरेशन का काम चल रहा है, रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन का काम चल रहा है और एकदम फोकस्ड वे में बहुत ही ध्यान से रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे ध्यान देके काम चलना है। और प्रयास रहेगा कल सुबह तक कंप्लीट रेस्टोरेशन का काम हो जाए। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कल 10-12 बजे तक काम कंप्लीट होने का प्रयास रहेगा। मैं अभी यहाँ से हॉस्पिटल जाऊँगा, जो अफेक्टेड फैमिलीज़ हैं उन सब के साथ में।
गाड़ी को छोड़ दो, गाड़ी को छोड़ दो, गाड़ी को छोड़ दो। जो बोलेगा हट जाना, हट जा। उधर से उधर शोर उधर से आगे आओ।
Sir, how many casualties, sir? Can you please confirm that?
थोड़ा साइड
चलो 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 साइड में
जाओ, साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ,
चलो साइड में जाओ, साइड हो जाओ। चलिए चलिए चलो।
Well, sir, how many people have lost their lives? Sir. So the railway minister is now leaving the spot, and look at the strength of security forces who are trying to ensure the security cover is there of the railway minister. Now the railway minister is now heading towards the tracks. And I believe he's heading towards the tracks because the road is in a miserable condition. The area where this has happened, over there are barely any roads. So basically this is kind of an interior of the village. And alright, I think he's not going there. He is reversing his car and then would possibly be pushing off from here. So that's railway minister in that car, and he would be leaving from here. But I just want to show you the kind of crowd which is here. Look at the number of police people who have come down out here, mostly from Railway Police Force, RPF, and they have all come down here because the railway minister has come down, and the railway minister wanted to go into the tracks and have a look of the situation. There you see Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav seated at the front. He did not take questions. He only gave a soundbite to one particular agency, and thereafter, so we tried asking the question as what is the status like as far as the rescue and the relief operation is concerned. I just want to give you a sense. I want to give you a sense of the number of police people and the central forces out here trying to ensure that the security of the railway minister is very much protected and the security is intact. So it's a very narrow lane. All the vehicles, the convoy, part of railway minister's convoy, they are all now leaving this very spot and now would be heading towards, not really sure where. It's absolutely cluttered a situation out here. Absolutely cluttered a situation out here. No less than 100 police people and mostly from Railway Police Force, they have come down accompanying the railway minister. Sir, क्या जा पाए ट्रैक तक सर? सर ट्रैक तक जा पाए? वो अंदर गए थे ट्रैक में? हाँ? अंदर गए थे? अच्छा. So the railway minister had gone inside and went up to the tracks, had a look of the situation, and thereafter he left. Now he called it an unfortunate incident, but then nonetheless, what you definitely get to see out here is, number one, when you have a road barely present leading you to the tragedy side, the same spot which is also being used for vehicular movement and also for transfer of injured people, and also the same place which is overcrowded with onlookers. That same place we just now saw, hundreds of security people had come down. I won't say hundreds, could be about 100, mostly from Railway Police Force. They had come down, and also other BSF Central Forces who had come down here just to ensure that The railway minister's security is very much intact because he is, after all, the Union Railway Minister who had flown down from New Delhi to have a stock of the situation. This is a major rail tragedy which has happened here in West Bengal's Darjeeling district. About 8 people have lost their lives, scores injured, and many people are still battling for their lives at the hospital. So the railway minister went there with his entire battery of people, went and saw, and now he has left. We will be going towards the medical hospital now, and to figure out the situation out there as far as the injured are concerned. With video journalist Rahul here in Darjeeling district, this is Tamal Shah for News the Truth NTT.